The use of the Welsh language can play a part in our lives in many ways, including technology. This video will show you how to set your email to Welsh on programs such as Gmail, Hotmail and Outlook Web Access. Let's start with Gmail. Open Gmail as if you're going to read your emails. Then, click on the cogwheel on the top right of the screen and click Settings. You'll be directed to a new page. Go to Gmail Display Language and change the drop-down menu to Cymraeg. Scroll to the end of the page and save changes. And there we go, Gmail with a Welsh interface. We'll now move on to Outlook.com, formerly known as Hotmail. Open Outlook.com as if you're about to read your email. Click on the cogwheel at the top right-hand side of the screen next to your username and choose Options. The next step is to click on More Email Settings, which will direct you to a new page. Under Customizing Outlook, click on Language, then choose Cymraeg from the list of languages. Scroll to the bottom of the list and click Save. And finally, how to set up web-based email to Welsh on Office 365 or Outlook Web Access. Open your Office 365 or Outlook Web Access as if you were about to read your emails. Then click Options, followed by See All Options. Click on Settings on the left-hand side of the screen, which takes you to a new page. At the top of the screen, you'll see Mail, Calendar, Regional. Click on Regional. Under Language, change the drop-down menu to Cymraeg, a Deyrnas Unedig. Scroll to the end of the page and press Save. And that's it. You've set your email to Welsh. Doing the little things and increasing your use of Welsh with technology goes a long way, and you can find more videos giving further instructions on our website.